So, okay, students. Yesterday we discussed about formation of a stationary wave in a stretched string. Now we are going to discuss another important essay question in waves. This question asked as what are harmonics and overtones? How they are formed in closed pipe and open pipe. So this question is asked like that in examination. Already we discussed harmonics and overtones. So what are harmonics? Harmonics are nothing but any frequency which is integral multiple of fundamental frequency, that is called harmonics. Overtones is nothing but any frequency which is higher than fundamental frequency, those are called overtones. Right. Now, what is how they are? Let us discuss how they are formed in closed pipe and open pipe. Right. Now we are going to discuss closed pipe. Closed pipe. Closed pipe. Right. So what is a closed pipe here? Closed pipe is nothing but a pipe which is open at one end and closed at another end, that is called closed pipe. So here whenever a sound wave is sent from open end, this sound wave is traveling in forward direction and reaches to end of the pipe and reflected like that. So this wave is called incident wave and this wave is called reflected wave. This incident wave and reflected wave both are superimposed each other and a stationary wave is formed in a pipe. So what type of stationary wave here? This is longitudinal stationary wave. Why? Because the waves formed in a air, those are nothing but the sound waves formed in a air, those are nothing but longitudinal waves. Right. Now in this this is first mode of vibration. Here the air particles in a pipe become to vibrate. So at a closed end node is formed, and here the particle displacement becomes maximum. So here antinode is formed. Antinode is formed. So now who vibrate here? Here vibrate air column is vibrating. Now the length of the air column is equal to, what is the distance between antinode and node? Lambda by 4. So lambda is equal to 4L. Now the air column vibrate with what frequency? Let us calculate. So we know that n is equal to V by lambda. So n is equal to V by lambda is nothing but what? 4L. So this frequency what we call fundamental frequency. This frequency is called fundamental frequency of a air column. So here many students do mistake. Here V is replaced by square root of T by M. Some students do mistake like that. So don't replace V here. This V is nothing but velocity of longitudinal wave. Okay, this is not a transfer wave. So in previous question we replaced V as a square root of T by M because that is transfer wave that is formed in a strings. So kabatti velocity of transfer wave in strings is nothing but V is equal to square root of T by M. So this is equation 1. Right. So we discussed the first mode of vibration. Now we are going to discuss second mode of vibration. Now the air column is made to vibrate such that two antinodes and two nodes are formed. So here now the air column is made to vibrate two antinodes. Okay. In this situation, the longitudinal waves are formed. Longitudinal stationary waves are formed like this. Okay. Right. Here antinode is formed. Here node is formed. Antinodes are formed. This is node. Right. Now calculate the length of the air column. L is equal to lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. Antinode node lambda by 4. Node antinode lambda by 4. No antinode node lambda by 4. That is equal to 3 lambda by 4. Right. Lambda is equal to 4L by 3. Now the air column vibrate with frequency N1 is equal to V by lambda. So N1 is equal to V by lambda means 4L by 3. So here N1 is equal to 3V by 4L. So N1 is equal to 3 into V by 4L. So N1 is equal to here 3N. Right. This frequency is called first overtone. First overtone or third harmonic. Third harmonic. Here second harmonic is missing in this closed pipe. It is not formed in a closed pipe. Okay. So this is first overtone. First means first highest frequency after fundamental frequency. But first overtone means what? First highest frequency that comes after fundamental frequency. That you have to remember. Right. Now we are going to discuss the third mode of vibration. The string is vibrated in such a way that 3 antinodes and 3 nodes are formed. 3 antinodes and 3 nodes are formed. We vibrate air column like that. So in this situation the waves are formed like this. So in this situation there are 3 antinodes and 3 nodes are formed. This is antinode and this is node and this is antinode and this is node, this is antinode and this is node. So now let us calculate the length of the argon pipe or air column. Lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. That is equal to L is equal to how much? 5 lambda by 4. So lambda is equal to 4L by 5. Right. Now the air column vibrate with frequency N2 is equal to V by lambda. So N2 is equal to V by 4L by 5. So N2 is equal to 5V by 4L. 5V by 4L. N2 is equal to how much here? 5N. V by 4L is nothing but fundamental frequency here. Right. So N2 is equal to 5N. This frequency is called second overtone. Second overtone. Or second overtone means what? Second highest frequency after fundamental frequency. Okay. Or fifth harmonic. Fifth harmonic. So finally we conclude that these harmonics are in the ratio. Harmonics are in the ratio. First fundamental frequency V by 4L is to next frequency 3V by 4L is to next frequency 5V by 4L. That is equal to here V by 4L is common, that is equal to 1:3:5. That means in closed pipe, odd harmonics are formed. Okay, only even harmonics are missed. There are no second harmonic and there is no fourth harmonic. So this is one 8 marks question asked, generally asked in examinations, and they also attach a problem to this question. So in closed pipe and open pipe, only one pipe is asked as a 8 mark question in public examination. They don't ask both pipes, only one pipe, and they attach a problem related to this question. Okay, now we are going to discuss another essay question. That means this is open pipe. Open pipe. So now let us discuss how the harmonics are formed in open pipe. So here, what is open pipe? Open pipe is nothing but a pipe which is open at both ends. That pipe is called open pipe. So here the air column, now air column is made to vibrate, then the stationary waves are formed like this. So here a sound wave is generated and reaches to this end and reflected as like that. Here there is no end point in this open pipe, but due to the pressure difference between inner side of the pipe and outer side of the pipe, the wave automatically reflected back. Please remember that important point. Right. Here always open and antinode is formed. Here node is formed. Here antinode. So what is antinode and what is node? The position of a particle at which displacement is maximum. The particle displacement is maximum. Now, as in the previous case, calculate the length of the air column. So antinode node. So lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4. So L is equal to what we get here, lambda by 2. Lambda is equal to L. Okay. Now the air column vibrate with frequency N is equal to V by lambda. So N is equal to V by 2L. This frequency what we call again fundamental frequency. Fundamental frequency in which pipe? Open pipe. Fundamental frequency in which pipe? Open pipe. So please don't get confused between open pipe and closed pipe. Right. This is first mode of vibration and this is the fundamental frequency. So like that we are going to discuss second mode of vibration. Second mode of vibration in open pipe. Now the air column is made to vibrate with 3 antinodes, 2 nodes, with 3 antinodes and 2 nodes. Right. In this case the stationary waves are formed, looks like this. So stationary waves form, longitudinal stationary waves are formed like that. Right. Here this is antinode and this is node and this is antinode and this is node and this is antinodes. So in the second mode of vibration, 3 antinodes and 2 nodes are formed. Right. Now L is equal to lambda by 2. Here lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, that is equal to 4 lambda by 4. So L is equal to lambda. Now the air column vibrate with frequency N1 is equal to V by lambda. So N1 is equal to V by L. Now N1 is equal to multiply and divide above fraction with 2 V by 2L. So N1 is equal to 2N. V by 2L is written as what? N. So what type of frequency? What is the name of this frequency? This frequency is called second harmonic. second harmonic, or first highest frequency after fundamental frequency, first overtone, right. Now like that, if the air column is made to vibrate such that 4 antinodes, 3 notes are formed, 4 antinodes and 3 notes formed. Now in this case the stationary waves are formed like this. Okay, like that. Now here this is antinode, and this is node, and this is antinode, and this is node, this is antinode, and this is node, and this is antinode. Now what is the length of the air column here? Lambda by 4 plus 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 lambda by 4, 6 lambda by 4, 6 lambda by 4. So L is equal to 3 lambda by 2. Okay, lambda is equal to how much? 2L by 3. Now the air column vibrate with frequency N2 is equal to V by lambda. So N2 is equal to V by, what is lambda here? 2L by 3. So N2 is equal to, this is 3V by 2L. So N2 is equal to 3N. So what is the frequency name? This is second overtone, second highest frequency, or third harmonics. Now these harmonics are in the ratio, harmonics are in the ratio is equal to here V by 2L is to 2V by 2L is to 3V by 2L. So finally we get 1 is to 2 is to 3. That means all harmonics are formed without missing any harmonic. So this is another 8 marks question, open pipe. Okay, only open pipe or closed pipe, only one pipe asked in examination, and they must attach problems related to this open pipe or closed pipe. So you have to remember that important point. Okay, so this is, so in this academic year only these 2 questions are important in waves chapter. There is a Doppler effect, another important topic that is removed this year, this academic year. So for waves, definitely it is 8 marks chapter. Definitely in public examination there is a chance of coming one essay question, that is formation of stationary waves or open pipe or closed pipe. So please remember, and please be prepared well.